Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make homemade peanut butter. So simple, anyone could do this. Let's get started. Alright, you want to get your blender or a food processor, or you put about 1.5 cups of roasted peanuts. Now you can use salted or unsalted. For this one, I'm using half of each. Put them in there and add anywhere from 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. Like that. Now, this part is optional, but I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of sugar to give it a little bit of sweetness. Put that in there. So we put the butter toast it until it's smooth as you can get. So I like smooth peanut butter, so I'm going to make it completely smooth. But if you like crunchy, just blend it for about 30 seconds or so. Alright, so get a bowl or whatever pan to put this in, and then pour the peanut butter straight in. Oh, this looks so good. Then you just put the lid on. Now put this in the fridge for about an hour to make it thick. And then we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, as you can see, beautiful peanut butter. Now I'm just gonna put on some bread. Now there might be still some chunks in there, but that's okay. At least there's not too many chunks. There you go. Beautiful. Well, I forgot to try my recipe for homemade peanut butter. As you can see. Oh yeah. And here is some waffle peanut butter and some bread. Ooh. I'm gonna give this a try. Oh yeah. Perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching a new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one day for a new recipe. Peace out.